Avengers, assemble. Today we're not saving the world from Thanos, but from bad code. Get ready to learn the solid principles of object-oriented programming with Earth's mightiest heroes. Ready to learn the solid principles with Earth's mightiest heroes? Let's break them down Avengers style. S for single responsibility principle. Imagine Captain America trying to lead, handle tech, smash things, and run espionage missions all by himself. Total chaos. In programming, the single responsibility principle says each class should have just one job. Like Cap focuses on leadership while Tony handles the tech, Hulk does the smashing, and Black Widow takes on the spy work, every class needs a single focus. More clarity, less chaos. O for open-closed principle. Remember Spider-Man's suit in Far From Home? He kept adding cool gadgets like drones and instant kill mode, but the core suit stayed intact. The open-closed principle works the same way. Your code should be open to new features like gadgets, but closed to modifying the core structure. Keep the core solid. Just keep upgrading. L for Lisov Substitution principle. What if War Machine, based on Iron Man's suit, couldn't fly? That would be odd, right? When War Machine steps in, he uses all the same functions as Iron Man's suit. No issues. That's the Lisov Substitution principle. Subclasses, War Machine, should be able to replace their superclass, Iron Man, without breaking functionality. The system stays reliable. I for interface segregation principle. Think about the Avengers. Each hero has their role. Tony handles tech, Hawkeye's the sharpshooter, Hulk smashes, and Black Widow's the spy. The interface segregation principle says no class should be forced to implement methods it doesn't use. Just like you wouldn't ask Hulk to hack into a computer, code interfaces should be split so that each class only handles what it actually needs. D for dependency inversion principle. Nick Fury doesn't micromanage how the Avengers use their powers. He just gives them their missions. The dependency inversion principle says high-level modules, like Fury, shouldn't depend on the details of low-level modules, the Avengers' powers. Instead, both should depend on shared abstractions or goals. This way, you can swap out team members or methods without disrupting the whole operation. There you have it, the solid principles explained through the Avengers. Just like the team, these principles help build stronger, more flexible systems. So, assemble your code like the Avengers and subscribe for more awesome insights.